According to the action plan, housing security will be improved by providing more government-subsidized rental housing and joint ownership housing. Households in receipt of subsistence allowances or with low incomes that have difficulty finding housing will be provided with both public rental homes and housing subsidies. More subsidized rental housing will be built to help special social groups with housing difficulties. In terms of employment, the action plan said the urban unemployment rate should be below 5.5%. Efforts will be made to increase the availability of part-time employment. Gender discrimination in employment will be eliminated. When recruiting, employers cannot make any preference of male candidates over female candidates unless specified otherwise by the state. On other women's rights, the action plan said China prohibits and acts to prevent all forms of domestic violence against women and will take effective measures to curb sexual harassment directed at women, as well as alleviate the burden of child rearing. The action plan also set 20 national bases for the prevention and treatment of major infectious diseases, and 20 national bases for emergency rescue will be renovated. About 15 regional healthcare centers will be built by making use of the resources of existing centers for disease control. On education, the action plan said efforts should be made to increase the coverage of preschools, the completion rate of compulsory education, and the enrollment rate of senior high schools. The gross enrollment ratio for senior secondary education will reach 92% or higher. The average length of schooling for new entrants to the labor force will be no less than 14 years. China will coordinate its commitments to reducing air pollution. The average PM 2.5 intensity in cities at or above the prefectural level is expected to fall by 10%. It will continue a campaign to treat black and malodorous water bodies in cities and largely eliminate such phenomena in built-up areas.